appreciate a good crunch. Pepperidge Farm baked naturals chips.
Boots for every scene now in season. Buy one, get one half off fun and fabulous brands.
Get him.
Buy one, get one half off everything. It's time for
Get him,
big
Goober.
savings during BOGO.
Get him.
It's time for Payless.
The difference between hiding my skin and showing it off? Jergens Ultra Healing Moisturizer. Even my driest skin looks healthier instantly. Jergens is the difference between I'm here and here I am. Jergens, the beautiful difference. Kleenex brand tissues are America's softest. No wonder people want to share.
You just want that tuna.
Send a Kleenex brand share
Goober.
message for free
Tuna fish.
Kleenex.com and start your own change.
Where's your tuna?
In return,
Where's your tuna?
a sample of new Kleenex Cool Touch tissues. The only tissue that actively releases
Tuna, tuna, tuna.
to soothe the sore nose on contact. Kleenex, softest worth sharing.
We filter our water to be sure it's clean, clear, and safe. But what about filtering your indoor air? Your indoor air is
He knows there's tuna, just doesn't know where.
times more polluted than outdoor air. Breathe cleaner indoor
Of course
air.
there's tuna in
Help
there.
eliminate dust and germs before they settle in your
Right?
home with Holmes Air Purifiers featuring disposable air filters. Now with the most effective filter technology available, Air One high-performance filters
You're
trap and
boring.
actually lock up to 99.97% of harmful airborne allergens. Imagine dusting and sneezing less. Plus, they can effectively reduce the germs and bacteria that may spread.
Weasel
cold
and
and flu.
Walker.
That's a difference you'll see in the filter, not in your lungs. Protect your family against colds and flu now by going to air1system.com.
Okay.
$20 off any Holmes Air One Ready Air Purifier.
Hey, you like pictures, you better like video.
Purifiers are available at your favorite store and guaranteed to improve the quality of the indoor air in your home or your money back.
Be nice.
Get Top Chef and Top Chef Manchu DVDs at shopbybravo.com. Also available at Target.
Our elimination challenge is to cook a dish inspired by the country we choose.
Get it, Mizana. Or Weasel. Bird.